Hey everyone! Today's question is 4 minus 1 in brackets 4 minus 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3. Remove the brackets. 4 minus 1 is 3. Now it's 3 times 3, which is 9, but this is the wrong answer. Let's solve it again. 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1. Here, we'll use the BODMS rule. Following the rules of BODMS, first we'll calculate the values inside the brackets. After that, we'll check for division and multiplication. Since both have the same priority, we'll check from left to right. We'll solve whichever comes first. After that, addition and subtraction. So, when we solve the bracket, 4 minus 1 in the bracket becomes 3. Now, when we remove the bracket, it becomes multiplication. Minus 1 into 3. 4 minus 1 into 3, 3. The further solution will be 4 minus 3 equals 1. This is the right answer.